Alright, a little up-to-date inspiration video. My name is Rob Buser. This is a little, it's actually a new page. The page that you see in your screen is what we technically call a landing page, and in this particular fashion, it is a webinar invitation landing page in where you are inspired to see a webinar of the launch of a brand new hand-free team building piece of artificial intelligence software called Onpassive. It is being launched right now via a platform called GoFounders. GoFounders is the pre-launching platform and the pre-launching campaign for Onpassive, and Onpassive is an extreme new way of automating your online income. So if you've ever prayed for or wished for a system that is doing everything for you, look no more. You look no further. You have found it. Onpassive is a system, and I've seen several webinars and several calls with the owner. He is literally not only known as a techie, as a person that has been in the network marketing industry behind the scenes, creating a lot of traffic, creating a lot of new members, but he's now actually due to the fact that he's very compassionate and thoughtful of those who lost a lot of money the last couple of years with new ICOs or companies that failed or criminals that stole your downline or your money. But basically it has been a mess, so he's taken it upon himself to help us with a system and software that he's normally used, that he has normally used to create lots and lots of leads, lots and lots of new customers and members for other platforms, for other network marketing organizations. He's now using that software as a product on itself with all kinds of tools. But the way he programmed it is that you never ever have to do any more recruiting. You never ever have to do any more promotion, advertising. You do not have to do any daily tasks. There are no upsells. There are upsells, but they are being done automatically. So you do not have to ever do anything administrative in order to buy bigger packages or upgrade your account or come into other income opportunity streams. It is all done for you, even to the level that there are no monthly fees or no hidden costs, so to speak. So once you're in, and it's working fully automated, 100% hand-free. This is revolutionary. I have tried to build systems like this for other people. I've failed many times, but now to know that this particular person has built it from scratch, not with existing software that can be hacked and can be manipulated and sabotaged. He has built it from scratch, and I know how particular he is about safety and how particular he is about helping people becoming financial free. He actually, and I quote him, he actually said, look, the internet was built in order to free us from a lot of trouble, and in the meantime we're only getting more and more hassles. So now I've built a system that is completely safe, completely all done for you. It is a dream come true. It is actually a vision and a goal that I've been aspiring myself for many, many years, for at least 15 to 20 years. And this is how long I've known this person, being somebody behind the scenes, doing it all for other network marketing organizations. So here you go. Welcome to an elevated world of web marketing. Breakthrough hand-free marketing system, complete automation and never seen before technology, brand new artificial intelligence forces your success, a true worldwide opportunity where everyone will succeed. You have no dropouts. It's even been claimed that nobody will leave, and you definitely create a huge income monthly residual, uniting, or that I say this with a disclaimer because there's no guarantees in life. There's no I don't want to make any promises. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and please make sure that you position yourself on the basis of trust and faith. But what I know and what I say right here is my personal opinion. This is not a corporate video. I'm not being paid to say this. But basically uniting, this is uniting creative minds for a business evolution. It's really something else. I've never seen anything like this before. It's a strategy set forward to change the history of internet marketing. Automated payments even that change your financial dreams to reality. A powerful global income opportunity. So here you have, this is a page where you can click through to a webinar. You'll see links underneath this video. Click them to find out more about Onpassive, more about GoFounder, the platform on which it is launched. I have heard through the grapevine that it's being launched very, very soon, and those positions as founder will be either taken away or be sold for a higher price. So make sure you claim your position ASAP. I think you won't be sorry. And then when you see this on a page where you can leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number, do so. But definitely join the webinar, book your seats right here. And you also have a button with a previous webinar playback page. So become a founder right now. You are invited by me, Rob Buser, and I'll do everything within my power to help you fulfill your dreams and aspirations. It's about time. A lot of people, I've even inspired a lot of people to enter into membership and to enter into packaging and ICOs and all kinds of new network marketing organizations that failed. So my apology. I hope this is something that we can literally help you pay back that which you lost. And I look forward to inviting you to our back office, to our team, and we'll do everything within our power to help you. So that's it. What else? When you see this on YouTube, there's a little video. Sorry, there's a little word spelled share underneath every YouTube video, approximately in on this below this video somewhere here. When you click on this little word spelled share, little social media icons pop up, and you're able to share this video again on your social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and whatever you choose. So here you go. And I'm also building several funnels in order to promote the pre-launch again. And once in, you're in. Again, no team building, no recruiting, no monthly fees, no upgrades, no hidden costs. It's all done for you. You do not have to ever organize any events anymore, or advertising, or social media marketing, or webinars, seminars, live streaming sessions, Zoom calls, Skype calls. You can literally sit back and see your team being built and see your automated residual income grow. That's it. Mouthful. Here you go. The new page, the new landing page for our webinar. Very sexy, extremely inviting. Thank you so much, those who have created this into this amazing opportunity. You know who you are. And then I'll see you and yours definitely in one of our webinars, seminars, live streaming sessions, events, clinics, Skype calls, Zoom calls. We will continue to help people get on board, and but I'll definitely see you on the most beautiful beaches of the world. Thank you so much.